The development of the internet and the emergence of blockchains have given rise to new digital forms of interaction between people. Now people who are in the territories of different states can meet and interact in digital spaces between these people. New forms of social and economic interaction are being formed, which gives rise to new forms of cultural behavior, and also creates new forms of self-identification of the individual. In the process of digital interaction, people from different countries associate themselves less and less with representatives of classical cultures and nationalities, and more associate themselves with such a concept as a Web3 personality. Web3 person is a person whose social, economic, and cultural activity takes place on the internet much more often and more intensively than in the material space. The life of a Web3 person depends much more on interaction within the digital communities than on interaction with the state on whose territory the Web3 person resides. Almost all classical nations have their own states, which in one way or another protect the interests and rights of their citizens. At least this is what is stated in the official documents of these states. But Web3 persons haven't yet had an institution that would protect the rights and interests of Web3 persons. Apparently, the time has come to correct this and create an institution to protect the rights and interests of Web3 individuals. Our decentralized digital post-state based on blockchain technology solves the problems inherent in all classical states and also has functionality that cannot be implemented in classical states. Posthuman blockchain is a social, economic, and cultural experiment. Posthuman blockchain is a bridge between Web2 and Web3, a bridge between the material world and the digital world. Posthuman blockchain is a decentralized digital post-state.